In this video, I will show you how to set the default microphone in Windows 11. How do we do this? Let's follow these simple steps.
Click on the Windows 11 icon. Find the Settings gear icon and click on it. In this window, under the System tab, click on the Sound option. Here, you can see all available microphones in your laptop or PC. Select any one of them. Now, go to the Windows search bar and type Record. You will find a microphone icon. Click on it. You can now see that the default microphone has been changed.
I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.